The Emergency Communications Kit, brought to you by Teltex, offers a powerful portable solution for accessible communications. The kit is ready to deploy anywhere it might be needed, including natural disaster relief sites, medical facilities, registration sites, and more. The Communications Kit offers a broad range of assistive equipment, all packed into a rugged waterproof case, built to withstand professional use in the field. Within the kit, a commercial-grade router provides a secure, reliable Wi-Fi environment. Options include LTE cellular internet connectivity for always-on access wherever it's needed. An Apple iPad provides a powerful multi-purpose communication tool, pre-configured with specialty apps for any disability group. A heavy-duty case protects the iPad while in use, and an external power pack offers enhanced charging and battery life. An inline amplifier connects to most corded landline telephones to amplify incoming sound for individuals with hearing loss. A personal amplifier with headphones provides sound amplification during face-to-face interactions. Disposable sanitary covers for the headphones are included, allowing it to be easily maintained and reused. 2 portable notification systems are included. Each set features a wireless push-button transmitter paired to a wearable tactile pager. The pager provides alerts through powerful vibration, loud audio with selectable tones, and a bright flashing strobe. A portable tabletop loop system with microphone provides close-range amplification for users with T-coil-equipped hearing aids. A Bluetooth cell phone amplifier provides amplification for a broad range of cell phones, from basic flip phones to smartphones and iPhones. A GLT captioning tablet provides text captions of in-person conversations. The GLT tablet can also be connected to an audio device to caption virtually any audio. The included mini router powers the tablet for effortless connectivity. A lighted magnifier provides a useful low-vision tool for reviewing documentation, medical information, and everyday items. A measuring tape allows for easy measurements of openings and heights, ensuring an environment is accessible for all clients. The Emergency Communications Kit provides a drop-in, ready-to-use solution for accessible communications. Kits are easy to maintain, allowing for rapid deployment into nearly any environment, providing critical access to individuals with a disability. Thank you for joining Teltex to learn more about the latest innovations in assistive technology.